Welcome students to estimating and costing. Now today in this video we shall discuss about the numericals on approximate estimates. In last video some of the numericals already we solved, and in this video also we will solve two more numericals. So already we discussed about the approximate estimate. There are three methods we discussed in approximate estimates: plinth area method, cubical content method, and service unit method or service unit base method. In plinth area method, we measure the plinth area and multiply it into by the plinth area rate of already known or already constructed building. In cubical content method also, we measure the cubic content of construction, that means the volume of construction, and multiply it by local cubic rate, and we will get the cost of construction. The service unit method as also we consider here the unit of service. For example, if hostel building is there, we consider student as a service unit, the cost per student. If hospital building is there, we consider cost per bed, and hotel is there, we consider cost per guest, etc., etc. Now we will see the example on the plinth area method. So prepare an approximate estimate of a residential building project with a total plinth area of all building 1500 square meter, and given that the plinth area rate is 9500 per square meter, then extra for special architectural treatment required is 1.5% of building cost. Extra for water supply and sanitary installations required is about 5% of total building cost. Extra for internal installations required is 14% of the cost of building, and cost of electric and gas services is 16% of building cost, and contingencies 3% of overall cost. Supervision charges 8% of overall cost. Design charges 2% of overall cost. So this is the data given in the example. So solution. So first given data is the rate of per square meter of plinth area is 9500 rupees, and total area of building is 1500 square meter. So the cost of building is equal to plinth area into rate per square meter. So plinth area is here 1500, rate is 9500. So 1500 into 9500 is equal to cost of building, and is equal to 1 crore 42 lakh 50,000. Okay, then extra for special architectural treatment, cost of extra required or amount required for special architectural treatment is equal to 1.5% of the building cost. So it is 1.5% of the 1 crore 42 lakh 50,000. So 1.5% of 1 crore 42 lakh 50,000 is equal to 2 lakh 13,000 for 750 rupees. The next is extra amount required for water supply and sanitary installations is equal to 5% of building cost. That means 5% of 1 crore 42 lakh 50,000. So it is 7 lakh 12,500. Then Next is internal installations. Extra amount required for internal installations is 14% of the building cost. Hmm. So 14% of 1 crore 42 lakh 50,000, which is 19 lakh 9,500. Okay. Amount required for electric and gas services is equal to 16% of building cost. That means 16% of 1 crore 42 lakh 50,000 and is equal to 22 lakh 80,000. So overall cost of building is equal to sum of all these costs required, that is 1 crore 42 lakh 50,000, 2 crore 13 sorry 2 lakh 13,750, 7 is and up to the extra electric gases for 22 lakh 80,000. That means total cost of building, overall cost of building is equal to 17 1 crore 73 lakh 99,250. Okay, so the overall contingencies required is equal to 3% of overall cost. So 3% of 17 crore 39 lakh, sorry, 1 crore 73 lakh 99,250. Okay. It is 5 lakh 21,977. Supervision charges 8% of 1 crore 73 lakh 99,250 is equal to 13 lakh 91,940. So design charges 2% of overall cost is equal to 3 lakh 47,985. So total cost of building is equal to sum of all these costs. That is 1 crore 73 lakh 99,250 and contingencies, supervision charges, design charges is equal to 1 crore 96 lakh 61,152 rupees is the total cost of building or total approximate estimate of building of 1,500 square meter area. Then example 2. So prepare an approximate estimate based on unit cost of per unit plinth area basis of a 4-storied office building having carpet area of 2,000 square meter. For obtaining the administrative approval of the government, it may be assumed that 30% of the built-up area will be taken by corridors, verandas, lavatories, staircases, etc. and 10% of built-up area will be occupied by walls. The following data is given. The plinth area rate is 1,100 per square feet. Extra for special architectural treatment 0.5% of the cost of the building. Extra for water supply and sanitary installation 6% of the building cost. Extra for internal installations 14%. Extra for electric services 12.5% of building cost. Extra for gas services 6% of building cost. Extra due to deep foundations at site 1% of the building cost. Contingencies 2.5%. Supervision charges 8% and design charges 2.5%. So you try this example to solve this example your own. Let's see about the detailed estimate. Detailed estimates are prepared by carefully and separately calculating the cost of various items of the work that constitutes the whole project from the detailed working drawing. After the design has been finalized. The mistakes of, if any, in the rough cost estimate are eliminated in the detailed estimate. The detailed estimates are submitted to the competent authorities for obtaining technical sanctions. Okay, so detailed estimate, the whole project is subdivided into different items of work or activities. The quantity for each item is then calculated separately from the drawings as accurately as possible. The procedure is known as taking out of quantities. The quantities for each item may be estimated and shown in the pattern which is called as a bill of quantities. The unit in which each item of the work is to be measured or is to be calculated should be according to the prevailing practices as followed in various departments of country. So this is a standard format of measurement sheet. Column number 1 is serial number, second column description of item, then numbers, then here actually measurements length, breadth, height or depth, then quantity, total quantity and remark. This is a standard format of measurement sheet which is required to take out the quantities of a item. Then next format is abstract sheet. So we calculate the total quantities in measurement format and then they transfer to the abstract sheet. In abstract sheet, column number 1 is serial number, second is description of item, then unit, quantity, rate and cost and remark. Here actually we calculate the cost. The quantities are transferred from measurement sheet to the abstract sheet. Multiplied by rate is equal to cost. Then next format is standard format of phase sheet. Here it is actually phase sheet of a project report or estimate report. Estimate, division, sanction estimate, fund headed, major head, minor heads, service heads and department head. So these are some heads which are used to complete the work or which are standard format of phase sheet which includes division, sanction estimate, fund head, major head, minor head, service head and department head. So the in detail estimate each item of work is multiplied by its estimated current rate calculated by a fixed procedure to find out the cost of a item. At the end, the total of all items of the work are made to get the total estimated cost. Okay, the rates are usually as per the scheduled rates from the locality plus a premium to allow for rise in labor and material rates over and above the schedule of rates. A percentage, usually 5%, is also provided in the total estimated cost for the work to allow for the possible contingencies due to the unforeseen items or expenditure or other causes besides 2% establishment charges. Okay, besides drawings and details of measurement and calculations of quantities, that is bill of quantities, following documents are also usually submitted with the detailed estimate for obtaining the technical sanction. A report explaining history, necessity, scope, main features of the project, its design and estimate, etc. Specifications lying down the nature and class of the work and material to be used in various parts of the work. The abstract of cost price bills of quantities showing the total quantities under each subhead and rate per unit measurement and cost. Calculations is showing calculations of for important parts of the structure. In fact, in estimating and the art and skill lies only in the computation of details without any omission of the parts of the building. Then The methods of the detailed estimate we will discuss in next video. So thank you.